Welcome YouTube to a special Thursday edition, a bonus given back to you. We're going to make mango chicken tacos out of leftovers. So for today's recipe, the episode, grilled chicken, iceberg lettuce, fire roasted tomato, cilantro, and we have 2 tortillas. And we have this mango salsa that I did a food review on. Look at your local store and find one that's perfect. This one is really good because this is perfectly sweet and has heat. So while we were talking, I put this pan on medium heat and take your tacos and keep flipping this every 30 seconds and warm it and brown it to the color that you desire. And one quick tip with this leftover grilled chicken, I put it in a bowl, added olive oil and Goya, and I put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, and it brought it back, gave it some more flavor. Alright YouTube, so our tortillas are done. Take some cilantro and put cilantro on both of these. We want some on the base. Alright YouTube, so the thing we're going to do next is put some lettuce down there. And it's your cook, your house. Put on as much as you want. So the next step is to take some of these fire roasted tomatoes and spread them around both tacos. If you want it, you could add it to the salsa. I've seen mango salsa with tomatoes. So just put on the amount of tomatoes you want, and then we'll move on. YouTube. So that is on there. And fire roasted tomatoes adds definitely more taste, and it's great for the display. Alright YouTube, so we're going to use the hands that God gave us. Put your chicken on each of these tacos. And then we're almost there, and you can enjoy. Alright YouTube, so we are there. If you wanted to change this up, you could. Or we can just go with this. So get your salsa, that mango pineapple salsa, and just put it on both tacos. And like I said, this mango salsa I got is from America, and look at the quality of that. So just put on what you want, and then we'll top it off with cilantro if you wish. Alright YouTube, so we have that mango salsa down. Look how quick and easy it is to make a new dish out of leftovers. So now you can top it with cilantro if you wish, or you can leave it as is. Alright YouTube, so if you want, take some cilantro and spread that around and use it as a garnish, and this will add more taste to the salsa and everything else. Alright YouTube, so there's your recipe for today. The extra bonus episode showing you how to make mango pineapple chicken tacos out of leftovers. So why waste food? You could always take ingredients that you can buy at the store and you have in your refrigerator and leftover foods and create new dishes. Thanks for being part of this channel. If you love leftover recipes, I'm going to be bringing a lot more recipes from leftovers. I used to do that 2 years ago, and it's a great challenge for me trying to create tasty dishes. But look at the texture in there and the different flavors. You cannot go wrong there. So you be safe. There'll be another episode tomorrow for Friday, and then I will see you next week for a brand new start of the week. Thanks for being part of my channel, and please subscribe if you like this content. Bye-bye. Love you.